Hi, it's Jacob here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how the new Hue MotionAware feature works by turning your existing Hue lights into motion sensors to automatically turn on lights when you walk into a room. In my last video I updated my original Hue Bridge to the Hue Bridge Pro, and you need to do this in order to use MotionAware. So if you haven't done that yet, check out the video linked above now, and then come back here when that's all been transferred. Assuming you have done that, or you want to see how this feature works before you buy the Hue Bridge Pro, let's crack on. In the Hue app, I'm tapping onto Settings at the bottom, and then I'm going to look for Devices. And then on here, there's a brand new option for motion areas. Straight away, you're going to see this little diagram of the room, and it's going to talk you through the best placement for your lights. Now, Hue recommend having 3 or 4 bulbs per room. In fact, you have to have at least 3. And rather than having them all being close together in one light fixture, they should be spread out across the room. Ideally on a different level of heights as well, so perhaps a lamp, a table light, and a ceiling light. When you tap onto Create Area, you're going to learn a bit more about how this feature works, and actually it's quite staggering how clever this is. All of the Hue devices communicate wirelessly over a protocol called Zigbee, and basically the Hue Bridge Pro can analyse the strength of those signals between the different devices, and it can detect movement based on interruptions to the signal. I know what you're thinking, this sounds like complete sci-fi and there's no way it will work. Well, let's carry on and we'll find out. So I want my motion area to be in the lounge, and when I select that area, it's then going to give me some guidance on where the light fixtures should be placed. Now, I guess if you've got more than 3 or 4 lights in a room, this is really useful, but for me I've only got 3 lights in that room, so actually I don't need to worry too much. But basically you want your lights to be as spread out as you can, across as many different heights as you can in the room as well. And the idea is when you walk into the zone between the lights, it will detect movement and turn the lights on. So as I mentioned, it's slim pickings for me. I've only got 3 lights in this room, but I'm going to select all 3 of those and then press Next. Now, Hue is going to ask me to leave the area completely. And it's also going to ask you to bring pets out with you. So I've grabbed Pudding in my arms and we've gone to the kitchen to hide for a little bit. When we press Next, there's going to be a 20-second period when the light signals are going to be analysing the space to make sure there's no movement there at the moment. I guess it kind of gets a baseline perhaps. I'll speed this along a little bit, and then when it's finished analysing the area, it's going to ask what should happen when the motion zone is activated. So when it detects movement in that area. At this point you can have it turn on lights, it can send an alert to your phone, or it can do both if you've got a Pro subscription. I just want the lights to turn on, and I'm only going to turn on one particular light. So I'm going to go into my lounge, and I'm going to make sure that just the lamp turns on. I'm going to press Next, and then give this new group of lights, which is just one light in name, I'll call it Lounge for now, and then MotionAware is ready to go. We have some options here to customize the different ways the lights come on, the color temperature, the brightness, all those sort of things, but I think I'll just leave it as it is for now and then come off this page. Now, on the motion section of the Hue app, you can see that motion was detected a few moments ago. That tells me that MotionAware is working, and now I guess we need to test it out. And so all that remains to be done is to say, Siri, turn off the lounge lights, and now the lounge is in darkness. So all I'm going to do is walk into the space and just like that, the lamp has turned on, motion's been detected, and Hue MotionAware is working in my house. I've got to be honest, I didn't think it would work half as well as it actually has. This is really, really cool. Now you can have up to 3 different MotionAware zones in your Hue Bridge Pro. That's all it can calculate at the moment, so you can choose the areas of your house that you want to work in. And I hope that's given you a bit of a flavour of how Hue MotionAware works in my home. I'm going to be gone now, so I'll be walking in and out of my lounge for the next 20 minutes testing it on and off, because it's quite good fun, but I hope you'll use the time wisely and check out my YouTube channel, see what else you can learn about your iPhone, and hopefully subscribe as well. That's it, I'll see you next time.